Hi, that was a short I did of Spirit in the Sky, and I'd like to show you how to play that. It's really, really easy. I'm tuned to G, G on the low, D in the middle, G on the high. It's in the key of A, which is the second fret for us. And how I get that feel is I use my thumb and then my two fingers on the two middle strings. There's a syncopated feel. Down, up, down, up, down, up. What makes this song slightly more difficult perhaps than others is that it's a shuffle. And what that means is the and in between the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, is moved slightly towards the next beat. So instead of being even 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the and is when you pick up with your two fingers. The numbers are with your thumb. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And that's all there is to it. As far as the progression goes in the intro, does that. And then it goes 7-5. Then 5-7. Does that again. For the verses, so those two chords were just 7 and 9, which in this case is D and E, and this is A. That's all there is to the song. Oh, and when you do those chords, I don't make them syncopated, like I just pick them. And that's it for that. Have a great day. Bye.